Hello everyone, welcome to the HCI final project demo. The project title is MobBiz app. It's a virtual world. So it's a digital wallet app. Before getting into the details, let's introduce myself, Raju from India, and our team members Jigisha from India, Adwait from UK. So let's get started with the project overview. So this is a digital wallet app. So just get into the business transition. So just get into some of the background. How business changed over a period of years. The days when all the business were carried using cash exchanges. As business grows, more cash, more risk. So then it comes the debit card. So then we have a credit cards, rewards, fuel card. So too many cards. So my wallet is getting bigger. Don't want to carry so many cards. So then the next thing which has come, feed all the information of the card into the smartphone and then make payments using the Paytm machines by selecting the card which we want. But it's still not convenient for my recharges, so I want to make it even simpler. So then the introduction of digital wallet happened. So the smartphones are carrying money. People can request for money and then add money at any point in time to the phone number. It's so convenient and easy to recharge. I'm putting few questions back to each of you. Just think about how many people are carrying cash on day-to-day life. If you carry cash, how much do you carry? Why do you need to carry cash? Absolutely no need. Welcome to the virtual world. This is which inspires us to enhance some of the digital wallet apps, which is the future. As all we know, financial technology business is driving towards digital payments, and users requires enhanced product or service search for better user experience and better discount, and extending the digital payments to the retail world. Last but not the least, transaction analyzer feature lacking in most of the applications or in the apps. And as we know, it's a big news in India. It's a demonetization that rose digital payment by 700%. Who are all our competitors? So there are too many digital wallets are in market. Paytm, Freecharge, Oxygen Wallet, Momo. So we have used Paytm and Momo as the reference apps for the contextual inquiry. And who are all our consumers? This can be extended to the both kind of business to business or business to consumers, which include suppliers, merchants, wholesalers, retailers, buyers. It's the whole world. How are we differentiating from competitors? Enhancing the product as service search and maps, and extending the bill payments to the suppliers and merchants, and extensive transaction history analysis. So let's get into the details of each of this. The first goal, enhancing or introducing the payments for retailers. Let's look into the features provided as part of the bill payment. So it's enhanced features for the card management, recharging the wallet, and include the location information in the bills, and which extends features for both merchants, suppliers, wholesalers, retailers. And the storyboarding, as we see, so Uma wants to buy something from the shop. She doesn't have a cash, but she found that the shop is Paytm enabled or the MobiBiz app enabled. So she pays the money using the wallet, so she doesn't need to carry cash. And then she went to the restaurant. She found that the balance is very less. Then she asked for her friends or colleagues to recharge the wallet. She get the money in an instant, and she made a payment, and she is happy back home. Let's look into the prototype of the bill payments. So the first thing is to add the profile information. So it has the enhanced feature to add the extra mobile details, and it supports login using Facebook, Google+. And you can edit the profile, and it has an enhanced feature to change the password, and you can change the name, email ID. And the next thing is to manage cards. So you can add the card details, and you can edit the card information whenever it's required. And the next thing is, how can you recharge the wallet? So it has the various options. So you can recharge using the net banking and using the card, or you can recharge using the Paytm wallet, or you can use the ICICI pockets. And the next thing is managing bills. So as you see that this shows the what is my total balance in the wallet. So I get the bill details from the retailer. So I need to pay 670. So I can take a option to pay or reject. And next thing is, so it gives the all the features as you can see in the left side of the MobiBiz app. So it has the account information, managing cards, funding wallet, and analyzing the transaction, and you can navigate through the map view for a better search for products and services. Let's get into the second goal. So that is to enhance the effective product or service search. So let's look into the list of features which is provided. So it has an integrated app map view, and you can adjust the desired area focus. So you can drill down to the details of the store, and you can search for a product and get the discount, and you can look into the history of spent by user and the reviews to make a better decision and have a better savings. Let's get into the storyboarding. So here Uma wants to go to a hotel. She is new to the place. So she checked in the map, so which are all MobiBiz app enabled stores, other hotels. She found two options, Starbucks and 4-star, but each of them have a different details, which has like on the basis on discount or the reviews. You want to take a call. So she found the Starbucks as a less discount, but she wants to go since it has a better food review, and she can look into the menu and then get the direction. And finally, she pays the payment using the MobiBiz app. And she's so happy, and Her colleagues also appreciated to use this application going forward. So we can get into the prototype. So search for the hotels based on the current location, and then select the hotel and get the menu details, get the direction, and you'll get the details of the reviews, discounts, and make a better decision. Let's get into the third goal, that is the transaction analyzer. As more and more transactions are done through MovieWiz app, lot of data to analyze. Don't have a single digital wallet apps provide enterprise or extensive data analysis. Users need to have very intuitive interface to do a quick analysis and take decisions on spend. What are the features available? We can check the balances spent, received data by each day, which provides insight on spend on every day, which helps to plan a monthly expenditure by looking at the calendar view. The map view will give who are traveling very frequently to various parts of the world. It provides a summary view, detailed view on spends in maps. And the chart view provides an insight into the spend by various categories such as household, entertainment, food and beverages, utilities. Summary and detailed view provides summarization of total spend for a year, month, day, and drill down to the detailed transaction. So let's get into the storyboarding. When user clicks on the transaction history tab, shows a calendar view as a default view and current day transactions in the bottom. So, but I want to see the data by monthly expenditure. So you can change it to the monthly view. So then I want to see for the custom range. So then see for each of the selected custom range. And I want to download the statement and do the final analysis. And I want to save money and want to check that which category I am spending, where I can save more and more money. And then let's get into the demo part. So as you can see that as you click on the tab, so it will give the balance spent and how much amount is received for a given month, and it shows on each day. So what's my total balance received and spent, and the current day is highlighted in the different color, and you can see the different color variation indicates that how much has been spent. You can see that what is my total spend in detailed transactions. And I want to go to the map view and then chart view. So, and also it has an ability to go to the monthly view. When I click on monthly view, it will give that every month what is my spend. So for a year 2016, so what's my total received amount, what is my spend amount, and I want to go to the particular transaction details. You can see all the transaction details, and from particular month you can go to the calendar view, and you want to do the analysis based on the map. So you can click on the map, it will give the summary of all the spends which are done in a various place. The size indicates how much is the spend, and as the bigger, it indicates there is a more spent, and the color indicates what is the different category you have spent. And I want to drill down into the details now. Now you can find that where actually the data, the expense has been made, in which street, which store, where's my biggest expense has been made based on the size of the icon. So then let's drill down into the chart view. So it will show for what all different categories I have spent. So whether it's on utilities, households, or entertainment. We can navigate to the different types of charts we have. So one is bar chart and pie charts, and then we have a tree map chart, so which will provide all the expenses based on the difference of the spend we have made. So whether we have done more spend on the raw cotton or how much percentage it has been spent on that, so for a given year, so it will be shown in this map. And we can navigate to the detailed transactions, so it will give the information about the location and who is the merchant, and you can see all the transaction of the only spent transactions of the transaction which we have received from others. And then we can navigate back to the calendar view. So that ends our demo. Thanks all. There's no cash, no card, it's only smartphone. Welcome to the virtual business world.